In this video, I give you a step-by-step tutorial how to trade crypto easily with leverage, deposit crypto and buy different cryptocurrencies on this exchange BingX. I will focus on trading cryptocurrency with leverage, how to open long and short positions, how to use take profit and stop loss, and how to manage an open trading position. I also made some timestamps in this video, so feel free to jump to the point which interests you the most, but everything in this video is important and helps you to use BingX. So let's go straight into the content. So first of all, what is BingX? BingX is a leading cryptocurrency exchange which was founded in 2018 with over 10 million users worldwide. BingX is focused on cryptocurrencies and we have many different cryptocurrencies, also small caps, which is very nice. I will later show you the large variety of cryptocurrencies that you can trade on spot and futures, but you can also trade stocks, Forex and indices, which is very nice. So BingX is definitely an all-in-one trading platform. BingX has also branches worldwide in Asia, Europe or South America, and it's growing more and more worldwide. BingX has also a very high security and transparency because 100% of the coins are backed. BingX has also many awards and achievements in the crypto space, and BingX is the official crypto exchange partner of FC Chelsea. Now I'll show you how to create an account at BingX. If you use the link in the description, you get up to this page, and if you use my link, you can claim over 5,000 USDT bonus. But right now we have an exclusive new user event where you can get over $5,150 bonus. So this is an exclusive event for my community, as you can see. And if you want to participate with my bonus and future exclusive events, you have to register with my BingX affiliate link. You can support this channel right here and I get a small percentage of the fees that normally flows to BingX, and you get an even better bonus with using my link. So it's a win-win situation. And if you already have an account at BingX but you want to participate with my bonus and future exclusive events, then just create a new account with my link. But of course, it's your choice. So normally there will be the referral code successful trading, but for this exclusive new user event, you use the link in the description. Then you click on sign up right here and then this page opens. And to create an account, you just need to fill in your email and a password from you, or you can also use your phone number. And then there will be automatically this correct referral code. As I said, it's either successful trading or this code right here. So if you fill in your email and your password, you can sign up for BingX. And if you now have created an account, you get up to this website. And to use BingX, you don't need a KYC. But if you want to do a verification, you go on the icon right here. And if you clicked on the icon above this mouse cursor right here, you get to this page. And here you can do your identity verification, which is also really fast. But as I said, no KYC is required. So if you want to use BingX, you just need your email and your password. If we now want to deposit money, we go on buy crypto and bank deposit. You can just deposit US dollars or different fiat currencies right here. But you can also deposit fiat money at quick buy. Then you are at this page right here. And here you can select also different currencies, fiat currencies. For example, if I want to buy with 1,000 US dollars, and if you want to receive US dollars, you click on buy. And then you have this different payment methods. For example, you can use the bank card right here at your card. Or for example, you click on MoonPay right here. And here you can see how much USDT you are getting for 1,000 US dollars. But it's your choice how to deposit the fiat money. And if you want to deposit money with cryptocurrencies, then you click at assets right here at the top. And then you get to your fund account. In my example, I already have 500 USDT on this account. And if you want to deposit different cryptocurrencies, you click on deposit right here. And then you get to this page right here. And here you can choose which cryptocurrency you want to deposit. And here we have many different cryptocurrencies, which is a big advantage for BingX. And if you have selected your cryptocurrency, you then select the network. And in this example, if I deposit USDT, I use Tron TRC20. And if you select a network, you will get a deposit address. And there you can deposit your cryptocurrencies. And if you want to withdraw your money, you can do it right here. So if you now deposited USDT, it will show up right in this fund account. And if you want to transfer it to futures account, you click on transfer. And here you can select from which account to which account you transfer your money. And in this case, we are taking the fund account right here and sending it to perpetual futures account. We then select the currency, the amount of the USDT, and then confirm it. So you know now how to deposit fiat, deposit cryptocurrency, and transfer your fund to your futures account. I will now give you a brief platform overview. First, we are clicking on BingX on the top left. Here you are seeing the default page with different information. For example, which markets you can trade like futures, spot, or also Forex and stocks. And here you can also explore the newest things of BingX. On the top left, you can see buy crypto. Here I already showed you how to deposit fiat money on this account. Next to this we have markets. And here you can see all markets that you can trade on BingX. For example, spot. Here you can see all spot pairs of the cryptocurrencies. Then we have futures where you can trade cryptocurrencies with leverage. And as you can see, we can also trade stocks right here. And as I mentioned earlier, we also have Forex and indices and also commodities like gold. Here you have the new listings of cryptocurrencies, and there are much cryptocurrencies at this exchange. And here you can see all cryptocurrencies with the icon. So you can trade many different cryptocurrencies on this exchange, which is really nice. And here on the top right, you also have different icons. If we click on this item, you can see that we switch to dark mode or to light mode, but I personally prefer white mode. Next to this, we can select the language and the currency. I personally use English and US dollars. And then you can see here the mobile app. You can just scan the code right here and download the mobile app for App Store or Google Pay. And I think the mobile app is also very nice. I can also do a video in the next time for you. And then we have these three icons right here. And here you can find your personal data, your security and your assets. If you want to buy or sell real cryptocurrency, you click on spot and right here. And then you get to this page. And if you want to buy different cryptocurrencies, you can click here and select your different cryptocurrencies you want to buy. In this example, we are here at Bitcoin. You can see the price of Bitcoin right here. And here you can select if you want to buy or sell. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you click on buy. Then you enter the amount of USDT you want to buy Bitcoin. We can also use this to get it to a certain percentage, like 50% of your fund account. And then you just click on this green button, buy BTC, and then you bought real BTC in your spot portfolio. In this case, we have the order type market, so you buy to the exact price right now, but you also can select limit. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin when the price is at $24,500, then you enter the USDT amount right here. For example, 250 USDT, you would get this amount of BTC. Then you click on buy BTC and you have your limit buy. And if you want to sell BTC, you just click on sell. Then you put here in your amount of BTC you want to sell and you click on sell BTC. So now we are coming to the most interesting part, the futures trading. And if you want to go to the futures trading, you click on this one right here. And then you get this different futures options. I personally use perpetual futures for cryptocurrencies, which I will show you in a second. But you can also do standard futures. So at standard futures, you can trade cryptocurrency, but you can see right here that we can also trade stocks like Tesla or Apple. We can trade different Forex pairs, indices like the S&P 500, or different commodities like gold or crude oil. So if you want to trade stuff like this, you have to get on USDT standard futures. You can also trade cryptocurrency at standard futures, but I prefer perpetual futures. And if we click on perpetual futures, we get into this layout. First of all, you can again select the cryptocurrency you want to trade right here. You can search for it right here, or you can, for example, type in a cryptocurrency like Chainlink, and then you could trade Chainlink right here with leverage. But in my case, I want to select Bitcoin. You can also do your analysis right here, but I normally do it at TradingView, at mobile or at desktop. And if I find a good trading setup, then I execute it right here. So first of all, how to open long or short trades. Down here, you can see these two buttons. And if you click on the green button, you can open a long position. So you would make money if the price of Bitcoin goes to the upside. Or if you click on the red button, you can open a short position. And at a short position, you would make money if the Bitcoin price falls to lower levels. Then of course, at the top right here, this is very important. You click on cross. And here you can select between cross and isolated margin mode. I personally use cross because I have my strict risk management and my strategy where I set my risk with my stop loss and take profit. I will show you later on, but you can also use isolated. It's your choice. In my case, I use cross, and right next to it, we can select the leverage. And here you can select a different leverage for long and short positions. You have the possibility to use a leverage up to 125x, but especially for beginners, I would prefer a lower leverage. I personally normally use the leverage 10. Especially for beginners, it's always better to use smaller leverages. And if you get more experience, you can also use higher leverages if you want to and if you have a good trading strategy. So I want to use a leverage of 10 and I click confirm. And I normally use the order type market. If I select the market order type, you would execute it right now. So for example, if you open a long position right now at market, you would get into the trade with this price from Bitcoin. You can also select limit. For example, if you want to get in a Bitcoin trade at $42,500. So in this example, if you open a limit buy at this price, if the price comes back to this price, you will get into the market with this limit buy. But I personally like to use market because with the market order type, you get into the trade directly at the prices right now. And then it's guaranteed that you get into a position right now at the prices. But of course, it's your choice. Now we are coming to the position size. We have different types of position types. I personally use buy cost USDT. In this case, if I type in 100 USDT with a 10x leverage, you get into the trade with around $1,000. Because if you type in $100 and you have a 10x leverage, you leverage the money with 10. So in this example, you are using 100 USDT of your USDT and leverage it with 10. Of course, you can select one of these options, but I use buy cost USDT and confirm. So now let's do an example at the Bitcoin. In this example, I want to open a long position at Bitcoin with U100 USDT. So we are selecting 100 USDT with a 10x leverage. And now how to find up your risk per trade. You use long TP and SL. And for example, if you don't want to be in this trade, if the price reaches this low right here, then we would type in the price of Bitcoin at this low. In this case, if the price would trigger $42,300, in this case, we would lose about 14 USDT. And if I have a TP at $44,000, and if I would open a long position right now, and if the price would hit $44,000, then we would have $24 profit. And for example, if you increase your position size from 100 to 500, then you can see if the SL got hit, we would lose $71. And if we would hit the TP, we would have made $125. And if we would use 500 USDT with 10x leverage, we would open a position of $5,000. But in this case, I want to open a trade with $100. Here I can see again what risk I have and what reward. But I personally tick it right here, open a long position with $100 and a 10x. So now we are clicking on the open button. And here at the bottom, you can see your Bitcoin long position. Here you can see that we are nearly with 1000 USDT in this trade. We have our opening price right here, the mark price, how the price is right now at this moment. And we have a liquidation price right here. And if we want to add in TP and SL, I click on position TP add. And here I can type in my take profit and SL. In this example, we have a take profit at $44,000 and a stop loss at 42,300 USDT. And then we are clicking on confirm. And now you can see that we have the TP right here and the SL. And we can also see that we have the SL right here and the take profit at 44,000 in this chart. If you now want to adjust the take profit or SL, you click on this thing right here. And here you can adjust the stop loss, for example, to $42,600. You click on confirm. And as you can see, the SL got to the upside to $42,600. And if you want to modify the TP or SL directly in the layout, you can click right here and drag the TP to a price you would like to have. Then you click on confirm. And as you can see, the TP is now lower. You can also see it down here. And for example, if you want to take some profits off this position, then you click on market close down here. And here you can decide how much USDT you want to get out of this position, for example, 50%. And if I click on confirm, then you can see that we have just the half of the position left running in this trade. And if you want to close the trade completely, you also click on market close, and then you can select 100% and the whole trade will be closed. And if we click on confirm, you can see that we closed the trade. And down here at trade history, you can see that we closed the trade right here. So if you have any questions left, please write it down in the comments. I could also make another video on a special thing here on trading at BingX. So feel free to write a comment down below if you have any questions left or if you are happy with my tutorial. And if you now want to get daily analysis and updates from me on different cryptocurrencies, then join my free Telegram group where I make daily analysis and sometimes also signals on cryptocurrencies. And again guys, don't miss this exclusive new user event for BingX. You can get up a bonus up to $5,150. So if you want to register for this exclusive new user event, click on sign up if you clicked on the link in the description. And if you click on sign up at the top right, you will get up to this page and have this referral code. You can enter your password and email or your phone number. And then you just click on sign up and you have the chance to get the bonus. Again, this would be the normal website you are getting to. And here you also get up to $5,000 bonus, which is very nice with the referral code successful trading. But if you want to participate with my bonus and future exclusive events, then you have to register with my BingX affiliate link. But I will update the link in the description and always put the best possible event right now. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.